You don't need to earn your rest. You need to understand its purpose. Welcome to 1012 Expressions, and welcome home to the 1012 Collective. This isn't just a name, it's a philosophy. It's a quiet acknowledgement that within you, within every ambitious, driven, and heart-centered woman, there exists a profound capacity for more. More peace, more purpose, more presence. We founded this space on a simple yet revolutionary idea that your highest expression isn't something you chase, but something you allow. It's a state of being you return to, again and again. It's the person you are when the noise of the world fades away, and all that's left is the steady, resonant hum of your own soul. This is a sanctuary built for the woman who does it all, and yet knows deep down that her well-being is the source of her power. It's for the leader, the creator, the visionary who understands that true success isn't measured by the pace of her hustle, but by the depth of her alignment. This is where ambitious women become the highest expression of themselves. But what does that truly mean? It means trading the relentless pursuit of perfection for the gentle practice of presence. It means understanding that your ambition doesn't have to burn you out. It can, and should, be fueled by a wellspring of inner vitality. The 1012 woman is not defined by her endless to-do lists or her packed calendar. She is defined by her wisdom. The wisdom to know when to push forward and when to pause. The wisdom to protect her energy as her most valuable asset. She leads with compassion, creates with intention, and lives with a quiet confidence that radiates from a place of deep self-worth. She is you on your best day. She is you when you feel centered, clear, and connected to your purpose. And our mission is to help you make that your everyday reality. Our cornerstone practice is Self-Care Sunday. Every Self-Care Sunday, we create sacred space to slow down, reconnect with ourselves, and prepare for the week ahead with intention. This is not another task on your checklist. It is the deliberate act of stepping off the hamster wheel. It's a ritual of release and renewal. We let go of the lingering stress from the week that has passed, the unmet expectations, the moments of self-doubt, the energy that was not ours to carry. We create a vacuum, a beautiful, spacious emptiness. And then, with clarity and purpose, we fill that space. We fill it with gratitude for the lessons learned. We fill it with nourishment for our bodies and minds. We fill it with a clear, powerful vision for the days to come. This practice is the anchor that keeps you grounded, no matter how strong the winds of the coming week may be. It's how we shift from a state of constantly recovering from the week to a state of intentionally preparing for it. Becoming a 1012 woman is a journey of returning. It's about unlearning the myth that your worth is tied to your productivity. It's about remembering that rest is not a reward. It is a requirement. It is the fertile ground from which your best ideas, your deepest connections, and your most impactful work will grow. It's about building a life that not only looks good on the outside, but feels good on the inside. A life where your ambition and your inner peace are not at odds, but are partners in your evolution. So if you feel that call, that quiet whisper telling you there has to be a more sustainable, more joyful way to achieve your dreams, listen to it. If you are tired of burnout being a badge of honor and are ready to embrace rest as a strategy for success, you are in the right place. If you're ready to lead from a place of overflow, not depletion, if you're ready to become a 1012 woman, welcome home. Many ambitious women feel guilty when they slow down. They've been taught that productivity is measured by constant motion. But exhaustion isn't proof of ambition. It's often proof of imbalance. Your body needs rest. Your mind needs stillness. Your emotions need space to settle. Your creativity needs room to breathe. Rest isn't escaping responsibility. It's preparing for it. There is a fundamental shift that occurs when you stop seeing Sunday as a day of recovery and start treating it as a day of preparation. Recovery implies you've been depleted, that you're running on empty, scrambling to patch yourself up just to survive another week. But a 10-12 woman doesn't merely survive, she thrives. She doesn't spend her Sunday recovering from burnout, because she has built a life where burnout has no place to take root. Instead, she spends Sunday preparing for excellence. This is not about adding more to your to-do list. It's about intentional action that creates ease, clarity, and momentum for the days ahead. It's a sacred practice, a framework for stepping into your power before the week even begins. First, she resets her space. A cluttered environment leads to a cluttered mind. By clearing surfaces, putting away the last load of laundry, and creating physical order, you signal to your subconscious that the previous week is complete. You're creating a clean slate, a sanctuary of calm from which to launch. This simple act of tidying is a profound ritual of closure and renewal. Next, she replenishes her body. This is where you nourish the vessel that carries your ambition. Meal prepping isn't a chore, it's an act of self-respect, ensuring your future self is fueled with vibrant, life-giving energy. It's about making healthy choices easy. Hydrate deeply. Prepare the foods that make you feel strong and clear-headed. This is how you honor your physical foundation. Then she reflects on the week. With honesty and grace, she looks back not for what went wrong, but for what was learned. She celebrates her wins, no matter how small. She acknowledges the challenges and extracts the wisdom they offered. This is where you integrate your experiences, turning them from mere events into valuable lessons that inform your path forward. What will you release from the week that has passed? Finally, she sets her intentions. This is the most critical step. Instead of drifting into Monday reacting to demands, you decide what matters most. You define your own success. Name your top 3 priorities for the week. What are the 3 outcomes that will move the needle? Schedule them. Block out the time. Give your energy a clear direction, a purpose. This is how you command your week before it begins. She protects her peace before Monday arrives. This entire process, resetting, replenishing, reflecting, and planning, is the ultimate act of self-leadership. It's the quiet, powerful work done in the stillness of Sunday that creates a week of impact and grace. You are no longer recovering from the past, you are architecting your future. We've been taught that our future is forged in the fires of relentless effort, that success is a prize awarded only to those who work the hardest, push the longest, and sacrifice the most. But this is only half the story. Your future doesn't only depend on how hard you work. It is not a simple equation of hours logged or tasks completed. The unwritten, unspoken truth is that the quality of your life, the height of your success, and the depth of your fulfillment are directly tied to your capacity for renewal. It also depends on how well you restore yourself. Restoration isn't a reward you earn after burnout. It's the foundational practice that prevents it. It's the quiet space between the notes that makes the music. It's the deliberate act of pouring back into your own cup, ensuring you have more than just fumes to run on. It's the strategic pause that allows for powerful acceleration. This is where true, sustainable power is cultivated. This is a collective shift, a shared understanding that we are not machines. We are cyclical, living beings who require seasons of rest to produce seasons of growth. In this community, we give ourselves permission to honor that rhythm. Together, we awaken. We awaken to the truth that our energy is our most precious resource, and protecting it is our greatest responsibility. Together, we rise. We rise from the ashes of hustle culture, stronger and more resilient. We rise to meet our ambitions not with frantic exhaustion, but with clear, focused, and revitalized energy. We rise above the noise that tells us we are not doing enough, and instead, we listen to the wisdom of our own bodies. Together, we radiate. We radiate a new kind of power, one that is calm, centered, and deeply authentic. It's an energy that inspires others, not through depletion, but through overflow. When you are fully restored, your light isn't just for you. It illuminates the path for everyone around you. This is the practice. This is the promise. This is the new paradigm for ambitious women who are ready to achieve more by honoring themselves. Welcome to the 1012 Collective. Until next time, awaken, rise, radiate, and above all, keep becoming.